Hey there, my name is Chris from Fitness Incoming and I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the DJI Mic Mini. So I'm a bit of a DJI fan. Actually, I'm recording this on my Osmo Pocket 3 and I've got my transmitter 2, Mic 2 on here. But I wanted something just a little bit smaller for when I'm doing my workouts or doing my gym sessions or taking Ted for a walk or whatever. So that's why I bought the DJI Mic Mini 2. I did have something else beforehand, and I'm not going to slate that, but I ended up sending it back because it wasn't very good. And I got this in its place. So I'm just going to open it up. I've got to wash my fingers with a knife, obviously. So as with all of DJI's products, it comes in a lovely box. Here we go. That's what it is there. So as I open it up, I get some instructions and the usual DJI stickers. There's lots of stuff on the DJI website that tells you how to work it, and I tend to use that because I'm slightly dyslexic rather than reading through all the bump, but I'll still keep it there anyway, just in case, something to refer to. So as you can see through, you get a lovely carrying case, and I don't know what material this is, pleather or whatever my other DJI stuff coming with, but that's really nice, really good stuff. Everything's DJI branded. Okay, I've got my nice, these are my wind deflectors. This is the connector, the charging connector, and also the connector to take it to the transmitter. You can use the phone. And here we go, here's the main unit itself. I said I've got the original mic. It comes with something very similar to this. As you can see, DJI branded, USB-C thing at the back. Move that seal there. Ta-da! Okay, this is what we got inside, and it's flashing away already, so that it's already got charge on it, which is nice. You've got the adapter, and it comes with a USB-C adapter just here that goes into the back of this, just there. And you're going to plug it into your phone. You've also got a space here. Now that is for a separate lightning port that you can have if you've got the old iPhone or the old iPad to plug it into. So again, it's not something I use, but that's quite a nice thing. And now here are the mics. Now how small is that? Obviously you get two of them. How tiny is that? That is amazing. And obviously you've got the space to put everything in here. Even just here, you've got space to put the cable in around there, braces, to put the wind deflectors. But if I compare it, there's the DJI Mic 2. If I compare it next to that, it's half the size. It's tiny. There's a few things that it hasn't got, like with this one, you've got a separate USB-C thing so you can plug it in to charge it. You don't have that on here. You've only got the 4 pins. So you can only charge it using this here, or there's an actual separate. So there you go. So that's the unboxing. That's what you get with it, which is amazing. What I'm going to do a bit later at the gym is do a sound test, so you can see exactly what it sounds like in a busy gym. I've just switched over to my iPhone. Got a little bit better pitch quality because I'll put a light on. It's just to talk you through this, and also I have a sound test before I go to the gym. So I haven't plugged my mic in. As I said, you get the hot shoe adapter, whatever it is. So you put it in there, and he clips it, you can hear it clip. And then that goes in the bottom of the iPhone. It also, believe it or not, goes in the bottom of the Mac, so you can use it on there. And then I plug it in. So this is obviously using the phone's microphone. Let's see the difference we have with this. Okay. So I think, I haven't read the instructions as usual, I think it's working. So as you can see, it's tiny, and you can't really see on my phone, but I'll show you in a second. It fits nice and snugly onto the bottom of my iPhone. Now I've got a case on my iPhone and it still goes in there. I've used ones in the past where you had to take the case off because it had to be flush against the bottom of the iPhone. Does stick out a little bit, and I'll show you that in a second, but still, that's awesome so far. So yes, back to my Osmo Pocket. As you can see, that's it fitted to the iPhone. It does stick out a little bit. It's hard to see. There's actually a little gap there, and that's awesome because that means I don't have to take my case off. So that's that bit, so that's awesome. Hopefully the sound was a lot better. I should have had it a little bit higher maybe because it was on facing the other way, but no, I think it was okay. So let me take this off here. And this is the amazing bit about this. I've got here my MacBook. Okay, it should, you hear that click? It ticks up a little bit, but yeah, there's that gap I was talking about. So far, I'm really impressed. Okay, that might come over. Okay, so I'm at the gym and I've got my DJI Mic Mini on, so hopefully you can hear me fine like this. I haven't got the noise cancellation on yet. I'm just going past all the weights at the moment. So I'm going to quickly stop this, and then what I'll do is I'll put the noise cancellation on and see if that makes much of a difference. Okay, so noise cancellation is on now. So I'm going to walk past all the treadmills just to see if you can hear that. They are quite loud. I'm going to walk past someone picking up some weights. See if you can hear those weights slamming. Trust them to stop. But there you go, so fingers crossed, it sounds awesome. My first thoughts of the DJI Mic Mini is fantastic. All the stuff that you get is everything that you need. And to have this, and to have this tiny thing here, this case, is absolutely fantastic. Ooh, I forgot to mention as well, the mini bit, you've got exactly the same on the back of it. So that to clip onto your t-shirt or whatever. And then you've got the magnet like you have on the other mics, if you want to put it on there.